cannot. Hello, you guys. Do you remember the one of my videos, the tour of my house? That was just part 1. But this time we're upstairs in my room, and we'll be showing you the tour of my house, part 2, or just 2. And
part 2. And me, Juliet and Fel, subscribe to my channel.
And also subscribe to me. Okay, come on.
Yeah,
Let's
it's
just.
gonna be hard, you know.
I don't care.
Yeah, who cares? I care because
This is
if you destroy
my
that thing,
my mom's room. This is the bathroom. Hi, Mom. That was my mom there.
You know, my mom was off cam, but she still helped me in one
And
of
look.
the videos.
Here's the living room.
Hey, here, catch me!
Here's the food cabinet.
Oh,
Here's my Ate Abby's room.
ooh, awesome. Smells good. Smells good.
And here, just wait.
Yeah,
Here's my Ate Andrea's room. Say hello, Ate. Hold on.
Wait.
Hello. Say hello. Say hello, Ate.
Oh, it's kind of embarrassing.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Wait.
Hey, Pao, you know your
Come on. Here.
his house smells good. Smells good.
Okay, now I smell food. Get out.
Let's go down. How about her?
Hold
Come
on. I already showed them the tour of my house.
No, you're right.
Yeah.
And look,
And-
hey, look, there's something like a hamster in there. Ern,
And
there's a hamster. Get on, cam. Do you see the hamster, guys? Do you see the hamster?
no.
Okay, you don't see the hamster?
Hold on, you guys.
Ah, just kidding. Now I have his computer now. Juliet and Feli.
Hey!
Ow! Well, Feli, there isn't even a hamster. I was just kidding the guys. Anyway, there is a hamster. Bye.
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 Bye.